Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the lucrative world of creating and selling digital products. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a seasoned online marketer, this step-by-step guide will help you get started. Let's dive in. The first step in creating and selling digital products is to choose a profitable niche. We'll discuss how to research market demand, identify profitable niches, and validate your product ideas. Understanding your target audience is essential for creating digital products that resonate with your customers. We'll explore techniques for identifying your audience's needs, preferences, and pain points. Now it's time to create your digital product. Whether it's an ebook, online course, software tool, or digital artwork, we'll cover tips and tools for creating high-quality digital products that add value to your audience. A well-designed sales funnel is crucial for selling digital products effectively. We'll discuss how to create a sales funnel that converts leads into customers and maximizes your revenue. Pricing your digital product can significantly impact your sales and revenue. We'll explore strategies for pricing your digital products competitively while maximizing your profit margins. Effective marketing and promotion are essential for reaching your target audience and driving sales. We'll cover various marketing channels and tactics to promote your digital products and attract customers. Finally, it's time to launch your digital product to the world. We'll discuss strategies for a successful product launch, including pre-launch activities, launch day promotions, and post-launch follow-ups. Once your digital product is launched, it's time to focus on scaling your business and increasing your revenue. We'll explore strategies for scaling your digital product business, including upsells, cross-sells, and expansion into new markets. Thank you for joining us on this step-by-step guide to creating and selling digital products. We hope you found these tips helpful in starting your own successful digital product business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on passive income strategies. See you in the next video. Background music fades out.